also for the future. AI is going to rule the future, so that will be a great, big step to our dear students. So that's it, and all the best STEM Robotics, especially our Rajshekhar sir for all this effort. We are really thankful to you, sir.
All this knowledge can be learned using the kit which were placed over there, and they will be able to explore hundreds of projects using these amazing kits which will be developed here in this lab.